Okay, today I'm going to show how to replace this nasty looking thing. And I got a set of them, so we'll be doing both. That way they look the same. I don't think it's going to be too difficult to do. It looks like just these 3 screws hold it in. So let's get started. Okay, this is an 8mm socket. It's just a matter of getting these 3 screws out. And I should be able to unplug the bulbs. Hoping I can maybe repair some of that when I get this off here too, because it looks pretty bad. Yeah, that's gonna be real easy here, it looks like. I'm gonna put the camera down to use both hands to get this out. Okay, here's something I just found out here. This yellow light has a little tab right here on it. Kind of hard to see. I had to take out the entire bulb because this little piece here is a little holder that holds this stupid thing in here. And that in there like that, it's hard to get that bulb disconnected without taking, I think, see that in there or not, but that little thing right here snaps down in there and holds it out. So I just took the whole thing out, and that got it out. But there it is. There's that whole piece out, and there's some of the damage. I don't know if I'll be able to do much with that or not, but at least we'll get the new light in there and get that fixed, because it is up for getting the license renewed on it, so I have to get this fixed like now. So there's that side. Okay, what I had to do is flip these little clips over, because the way it's sitting, I could not get the factory screws to touch. When I go to put them in here, it was just too deep and I couldn't get it to catch on anything. Because these come like this, and it's so deep that you can't get the factory screws to screw into it to hold them in place. So there's something they need to think about when they're putting their clips on. They need to raise this up or design that clip just a little bit different so you can use your factory screws without having to do this. So let me get this one buttoned up and then we'll do the other side. Okay, got this one in. This one didn't want to fit right. I had some issues getting it fitted in there, and it's still not like it's wanting to fit in there like the factory one. I mean, granted, these were cheap, so I mean, but they could do some work on getting these to make them fit a little better. But this one went in a little bit easier, I think, just because of the damage on it. But that's kind of what it looks like. They do look a lot better now. And they did come with bulbs, so I'll test them out and see if the bulbs work. If they don't, I guess I'll be taking that back out and replacing the bulbs with the ones that I already had in there. So let's try that out. Yeah, they seem to be working. I'm going to have to wait until it gets dark to see if the headlight beams line up right. If they're out of alignment or not. Hopefully they're in good alignment enough where it's not going to show that much of a difference, but they seem to work, so we'll go with that for now and we'll see what happens.
Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you want to see more videos, just click over here and check them out. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Share with your friends, like it, and remember to strive to be the person your dog already thinks you are. Until next time.